Dolphin. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphins are very smart and can communicate with each other using unique sounds, almost like talking. They also love to jump and play in the waves. Dolphins help each other. If a dolphin is sick or hurt, other dolphins will help it stay afloat to breathe. Dolphins have been known to help humans too. There are stories of dolphins guiding people back to shore or protecting them from sharks. Octopus. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Octopus. An octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. It can also change colors to blend into its surroundings and even squirt ink to escape from predators. Octopuses have no bones, so they can squeeze into tiny spaces. They can fit through holes the size of a coin. Clownfish. 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 C-L-O-W-N-F-I-S-H. Clownfish. Clownfish. Clownfish, like Nemo, live in sea anemones, which protect them from bigger fish. They have a special slime on their bodies that keeps them safe from the stings. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Sea turtles can live a long life, sometimes over 100 years. They always return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. H-A-M-M-E-R-H-E-A-D-S-H-A-R-K. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have a head shaped like a hammer. This unique head shape helps them see better and find food more easily. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years, even before dinosaurs. They don't have a brain or heart, but can still sting with their tentacles. Starfish. 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 S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Starfish. Starfish, or sea stars, can regrow a lost arm. Some starfish have as many as 50 arms, and they use tiny tube feet to move around underwater. Starfish have a unique way of eating. They push their stomachs out of their mouth to grab food, like clams and oysters, and then pull it back in to digest. Blue whale. Blue whale. Blue whale. B-L-U-E-W-H-A-L-E. Blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal on Earth, even bigger than any dinosaur. Its heart alone can weigh as much as a small car. Seahorse. 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 S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Seahorses are unique because the males carry the babies. They hold the eggs in a pouch on their belly until the little seahorses are born. Seahorses don't have teeth. They suck up tiny shrimp and plankton through their snouts like little straws. Seahorses like to dance with their partners. Every morning, a pair of seahorses will wrap their tails together and swim around each other in a graceful dance. Manta ray. Manta ray. M-A-N-T-A-R-A-Y. Manta ray. Manta rays are gentle giants with huge wing-like fins that help them fly through the water. Some manta rays have a wingspan of up to 23 feet. Manta rays are one of the smartest fish in the ocean. They have the largest brains of any fish, which helps them learn, remember things, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Manta rays move through the water by flapping their fins, making it look like they're flying underwater.